Welcome to 712 Pirates Way, where an incredible opportunity awaits to own a remarkable 3-bedroom condominium that seamlessly combines affordability and quality. Inside, you'll discover an inviting, light-filled great room. This space is perfect for entertaining and creating unforgettable moments with friends and loved ones. The chef's kitchen boasts an open concept design with ample counter space, storage, and an eat-on bar for 3. Picture yourself on the large covered deck, savoring your morning coffee and taking in the serene canal and pond views. This is the place where relaxation and tranquility unite. When it's time to retreat, you'll find a spacious primary bedroom offering serene water views, a private bath, and private deck access. Assigned covered parking for 2 cars ensures your vehicles stay protected from the elements. And with an additional storage unit, plenty of room for your kayaks, canoes, or beach chairs. Centrally located in Pirates Cove, you'll enjoy easy access to a wide range of amenities. Take a refreshing dip in the community pools, including the exclusive owner's pool just across the street. Stay fit in the state-of-the-art fitness center or host a delightful picnic at the charming pavilion. And for the boating enthusiasts, this full-service marina awaits, ready to fulfill your nautical desire, complete with a restaurant and tiki bar. Located just a brief 5-minute drive away, you'll discover the captivating shores of the Outer Banks or the charming town of Manio. Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to schedule a private tour, please give us a call. And please don't forget, for more 411 on the Outer Banks, like and subscribe below.